All right. Deva again. How long? My son a 18-year-old. One politician party a run from them time there. But me say Jamaica make a change. But the thing about it, me glad with for Jamaica. Panda there, you want to Jamaica. I mean, I lie you. Then they love in that there. One thing me know no hungry people in that Jamaica, pan politician there. And do you see that there? You no need to have Barber Green Road because you have car we drive go anywhere. Only donkey and goat can walk through them the road there. And car drive go there. And go for all people we never walk for like 5-6 years. And take them patient time. Put them in a car. And carry them go vote. For real, no joke. Me get a big laugh out of it. And then feed them. And give them $10,000. Just to get a vote. Only in a politician time. You see everybody unite. The last man I go down the road and I get a spot him and say, want me no long, me no see him say, me no need to see you. On election time. But me glad. Long before Wally British said this, and the one barrel man with him big head. Let me tell you something. Me know so a change that go come. So, me can keep a change in my pocket now. Because somebody else win. And if somebody else win, it simply means that it a go better. So while it a go better, I keep a change in my pocket. So if mama na India and his son take it, if Sonny take it, you have to love Sonny with it. Because for the fact of the matter, I think Sonny might look better. But me love Jamaica for that day. Not because of who win. But because how they take care of people and which part Barber Green Road not there. Car drive, go up there and back up and park and bring back the people them. The old lady we couldn't walk, she get assistance. So big up Jamaica Panadea. And I me tell us say one love again. Until then, love on.